Hey there, welcome back to GK Goda. In today's video is more interesting. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to reach more views as a new YouTuber. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's a very big, huge support. So the first thing is thinking versus action. What's that mean? Thinking versus action. The most of the beginner level YouTubers doing is they always thinking how to make my videos. Do I have a good microphone, or do I have a good quality camera, Sony cameras? Oh, that's really bad, because as a my first video is created by using on a Dell webcam. Now I creating on a iPhone, on my iPhone camera. So I improving myself as a little bit. I'm making my mistakes and I making my issues. I increasing my only 1%. So the thing I really like to say is, you first take action. How to first take your phone or take your webcam and sit and record yourself and publish on YouTube side. Then see how is your communication skills, how is your camera angles, and how is your focus on your camera is very important. In my beginner level, in my first video, I nothing know about how to focus on camera. I'm very nervous on how to talk on cameras. A lot of issues. Now I'm little bit improved. I'm not say I'm a perfect, because you see my levels of subscribers are very low because of my mistakes. So I'm trying to improve. Nothing. So if you now you almost take your action. Now you want to time to take the big step. What's the big step mean? You want to build a high quality and good attractive thumbnail. Thumbnail is the first impression of your audience. If someone's search for something, then scroll down from the up to down, down to down. Then if thumbnails tells the summary, so this sees thumbnails, oh wow, these types things, then click. So the thumbnail is very important. If you need to how I create thumbnails for free, I will create videos in next week. So please comment here. I will help you. It's my passion and I love to do that type of works. Now you create a good thumbnail. The next thing is title, because the titles make you make a wow. Ooh, is that thing, or what's it in there? What's the title says? Is that valuable? Oh, that's the thing I said. The title always important. Most of the videos created by how to, and in the end of the video they say 2024 is mean the updated, but the real truth is they created the video at 2023, but the same video they changed the title name as a 2024. So the viewers see, oh, the new videos created by this creator, they watched, they increase their views, then they get more money. So as a YouTuber, the third thing is tags. As a YouTuber, you want to find out what's your target audience, then you have limited to 500 letters to build tags. Then create, if you something like a viewers something searching like how to build a table, then you want to think like a viewer, how you actually going to search tables and how to build table fast, how to build table so quickly, how to build lot of things. So the three things is very important. As a summary, we want to reach more views on YouTube, the three keys is important. Number one is thumbnail, number three is title, number three is tags. So I think these things enough for getting more reach on YouTube. So without getting too lazy, take your phone, record yourself, publish to your phone. Now improve your thumbnail, improve your title, and get more tags related to your audience. That's it, this video. This is the summary of the video, and until then, see you in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you. Cheers. Bye bye.